Tell me why you're the best real estate agent in 5 minutes. Kind of like sell me this pen. Okay. Why are you the best real estate agent? You have to tell me why you're the best real estate agent in 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes to tell me why you're the best real estate agent, and I'm gonna roast you. Like, why are you the best real estate agent? Sell yourself to me. Okay, ready? Go.
Okay, so the reason why I'm the best real estate agent, I think, is I think in Vancouver I have the best video production things.
Wow, you have the best video production. What?
I'll show you.
You're using look at the size of our cameras and look at the size of your cameras.
We want a bigger one than you because we are just doing our vlog today.
Okay, so what makes your video production better than any other real estate agent, and how does that help you sell more houses?
Yes, because me and my partner, we are running a real estate kind of like a media company.
Okay.
So which is we have the like cinematic stuff.
Okay,
it's
so
much bigger than that.
Is this the best real estate agent, or you're the best real estate media company? These are two different things. No. I'm the best real estate media company.
Are you sure?
Yes. We'll have a battle.
Okay, no problem.
But in terms of on the agent side, what makes you the best? Why should people work with you?
Yeah, because for example, in my like video channel, we have around like 10,000 followers right now.
On what platform?
On Redbook.
Redbook. So that's like Chinese Instagram.
Yes, that's right. And also like TikTok.
Yes.
Like Douyin.
Chinese TikTok. Okay.
Yes. And especially we do tons of video things. And so that's how I do and how I get my.
Well, how does that help you do business? What does that have to do with someone who wants to be your customer?
Just watch my videos.
That's one reason. We can't watch your videos right now.
I think the best part when I do my business is be real.
Be real?
Yeah, seriously.
Okay.
Yeah, because normally people want.
Give me an example. One time you were super real.
I'm super real right now.
Okay, so if I was your customer, you would tell me something I didn't like I would hate you, but you would still tell me it.
Okay. Don't buy a house and go buy a penthouse in Concord.
Is that being real?
No, it's real because these penthouses, because we actually last time we filming the 4720 that penthouse.
Okay.
There.
Okay.
So, Tower 1. And that's pretty good because I've never seen something like super quality and the best view of this town and best location of Broward.
Sure.
Yeah.
What's your biggest weakness as a real estate agent?
Weakness.
Ooh.
What should I tell you?
Too many or none?
I think there's a couple. Yeah.
Okay.
There's a couple. But I think the most weakest part right now, I think it's my age.
Your age? Okay. How old are you?
Like right now it's 26, 27.
Oh, you look a little bit older, so you look more mature.
Oh, okay.
That is good, I think, in this industry.
Yeah. Okay. Because sometimes when having conversation with your clients and they were the first of all they were looking your age.
Right.
I think you are too young to handle this. I think that is right now is the weakest point. But
we also have different strengths. Like at a younger age, we have media.
We have media.
People don't know how to do this when they're a little bit older.
Yeah, we have media.
Yeah.
So, which means I think right now we have more opportunity to show ourselves, to show our attitude, to show what we like, and to show people what's the fun of this industry.
Right.
On social medias. One of my dreams is to become one of top agents. Like Ryan Serhat.
You're gonna compete with me, dude. This guy's not gonna beat me. Okay. Maybe on the Chinese social media platform.
Maybe. Yeah.
Well, thanks so much, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
Ready? I'm gonna start this timer. Usually people can't get to 5 minutes, or if they do get to 5 minutes, I'm so bored. So hopefully you can do both. Okay.
You're on a lot of time.
Okay, ready? Let's go. Tell me, why are you the best real estate agent?
Well, that's a great question, Alex. I started off in real estate back when I was 21 years old. I'm almost 30 now.
Okay.
I started working for
9 years in real estate.
Yeah, 9 years basically almost. And I started working for my family who's in development as well.
Sure.
It's like Concord, the big dogs here.
Sure.
You know what? And I'm happy to be #1 on their list, obviously. They gave me this medal.
Okay, that's a great one.
Yeah, exactly. And I've cultivated relationships with all of the big dogs in town here. So whether you're looking for a free sale or resale,
right,
we got you covered.
What does that make you the best? I'm sure a lot of great agents have relationships.
Oh, that's true, but a lot of agents will tell you this and that. They'll put a tag, I'm an expert on their profile, but Are they really?
So what makes you an expert? Like you said, 1 is 9 years. Well, I think this, especially the older people, like I've done that long. Relationships, yeah, but yeah, because we're talking about why you the best, not just grades, the best.
Well, as you can see behind me here, a lot of the guys, they don't actually have hair on their head. I still do. So I'm hungry and I'm ready to rock. I don't have alarm clocks. I just wake up 5 a.m. in the morning.
So you're a hustler. Are you saying that's your biggest strength?
That's it. I'm young, I'm hungry, and I'm gonna be here for a long time.
How young are you?
I'm 29.
You're 29, same as me.
Okay.
But how do you hustle harder than everyone else? What do you do that shows the hustle?
I don't delegate. If you want something done,
That's a unique one.
yeah, if you want something done right, you do it yourself.
Okay.
Right. So I pride myself in going the extra mile for my clients.
Right.
They feel confident with they're making the biggest decision of their lives a lot of the time.
So give me an example of one way that because you're not delegating, meaning you're spending a lot of your personal time.
Right.
How does the client feel that?
I'll drive here to Timbuktu if my client's happy.
Timbuktu.
It's anywhere. Whatever gets the deal done, whatever my clients need.
Really?
I make sure I'm there.
But you don't have a cutoff? You're like, oh, that's not worth it?
You know what? I don't take my kindness for weakness, but I'll go the extra mile for my clients to make sure they succeed because I'm building relationships, transactions.
Right. Do you have an example of one time you did go the extra mile?
Absolutely. I sold a pre-sale. They couldn't afford it in Lower Mainland in French.
I gave them a $100,000 loan?
Something like that. I put $100,000 equity in their bank account. So essentially,
Interesting.
Better, yeah.
Interesting.
So they can grow as a family. It was a growing family.
Okay.
And I went all the way to Harrison Hot Springs to find the properties, and I live in Vancouver. So, I pride myself on doing whatever it takes.
Well, I'm really curious to see that because right now we're sitting here, we can't see that, right? Well, maybe a little bit from your personality, but a lot of people say they're hustlers.
Yeah, we'll check out the VIP pre-sale club on Instagram.
Okay.
You can see that I've been doing this for a long time.
Okay.
This is my bread and butter. I love Burnaby. I love real estate. I love Concord.
Right. Good. Thanks so much.
Yeah, thanks,
Appreciate
Alex. I appreciate it.
Why are you the best real estate agent?
I think I'm the best real estate agent in some people's minds, definitely my own.
Definitely your own?
Yes.
Oh, that's very confident.
As well as people I've helped.
Okay.
But I think working with realtors, it really is up to your personal preference.
Okay.
And your relationship with an individual and your area of expertise. So I wouldn't necessarily say I'm the best real estate agent for everyone.
I like that. That's very different from everyone else.
Yeah, I mean, it's different areas. There are people who know the area better, but I can say for the areas that I do know better, I'm definitely very confident. But if my clients have needs in areas that I'm not, I will 100% do my best to find out the best information for them.
So who are you the best real estate agent for then? If you're saying not for everyone, then who are you the best real estate agent for?
I am the best real estate agent for people who want to work with me.
Who wants to work with you? How do you know who wants to work with you?
How do I know who wants to work with me?
Like let's say me meeting you right now. Okay, a lot of your customers, other than referrals, if they meet you for the first time, what am I gonna like about you?
Because I'm very honest and I'm very straight up.
Okay.
I'm not going to pretend I know something I don't know.
Okay.
I will tell you what I can do for you and I'll 100% do it. I wouldn't overpromise and underdeliver.
Okay.
Yeah, you'll be well taken care of. I think that's my approach.
For you, or my perspective of who you'd be best for, is people who already know what they're doing. Because they just need someone reliable, right?
Not necessarily.
No?
People who don't know what they're doing definitely need someone who's reliable even more. I am working with new buyers and people trying to get into housing market and they have no idea what really is happening. So having an honest and a realtor that really care about their well-being and their investment is most important.
I like your approach. You're not, you go with the flow. Not go with the flow, but you catch the fish that come into your net. So to recap, you're the best real estate agent because you're good at connecting people who think you're the best. You're not trying to be the best for other people.
No.
You're just finding the people who think you're going to be the best.
I'm far from the best. I have so much to learn.
Okay.
So I'm just mostly the one that's trying to put other people before me.
I didn't learn some of your humbleness.
Oh.
I've done nothing and I think I'm the best.
That's okay. Have confidence is good. Yeah.
Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Why are you the best real estate agent?
Good question, Alex.
Oh, this is that's such a politician answer.
Some people think the real estate agent's job is to sell.
Okay.
But that's not the job of a real estate.
Sure.
Just this is a table and you want to negotiate, right?
Okay.
You always have to think your client is on your side, is not on the other side.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So people buy from a person who knows
like, and trust.
Okay.
If I can gain these 3 factors from a person, I can make the sale. As long as the client doesn't know you, doesn't like you, and doesn't trust you, never gonna buy a pen from you.
Okay.
But this is a big...
So how do you do these things really well that make you the best?
There is an old saying. It says, you have to choose something for your client that first you think you are buying it for yourself. If you don't like it for any reason, then do not introduce to your client. That's very important in any type of sale, right?
Very interesting. I'm gonna give you an example right now. For example, this penthouse I went up to here. Personally, I myself would not want to buy.
Okay.
But what if it's suitable for someone else? Does that mean I don't introduce it to them?
The thing is, there are some general problem with items, okay? But there are some specific issues that you may don't like it, but your client may like it.
Okay.
Okay? I'm talking about the general problem for an item. So we're talking about the real estate.
Okay, so you're saying don't tell them to buy what you don't believe in.
Exactly.
But isn't that like a...
I'll give an example. He told me that because you are here, because we know you, and never said I like you, but you know, when it comes to it, that means I like you. Remember the 3 facts I told you?
Yeah, know, like, and trust.
What can you find out in this area? So this project was just about to launch. So what I did, I came to one of the sales staff, and she helped me prior to bring the client here. And she showed me the floor plans and everything. There was a floor plan, 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom. So because I'm familiar with this area, there are not many 3 bedroom and 3 bathroom. And it was very high floor and nothing in front of it. And so I felt like, if I want to buy this for myself, am I like this? And then the answer was, I love it. So I introduced to them, and now he owns it. We bought it very low price, and now the equity is like 50% the price as we bought it. I cannot mention how much. So that's why you always have to, the realtor's job, why I'm a good realtor, the best realtor, because I realize what's my role in real estate for my client. My role is to protect my client. That's why I'm the best. I consider myself the best realtor because I know what is my role in real estate when it comes to introducing a property when I'm working as a buyer's agent, which is protecting my clients in those factors I just mentioned.
Okay, you win. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You win. Okay, thank you. All right, thank you so much.
Let's have some fun and comment down below who you think is the best real estate agent and why.